In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. This step-by-step guide will help you streamline your workflow and organize your data efficiently. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Airtable website. Once you've opened Airtable in your web browser, you're ready to get started on creating your custom dashboard. First, you'll want to look for the Create button. It's usually located in an easily visible area on the dashboard screen once you're logged in. Clicking this button will allow you to begin the process of making something unique and especially suited to your needs. Right after you click Create, you'll see an option to select an untitled base. Here you have the chance to name your base. Choosing a name that reflects the purpose of your dashboard can help you locate and organize your projects as they multiply. Next, you'll find a tab labeled Interfaces. This powerful tool is key for crafting a dynamic workspace tailored to your needs. By clicking on this tab, you open a world of possibilities for visualizing your data. Once you're in the Interfaces section, you'll see an option that says Start Building. Don't be intimidated, click on this as it's your first official step towards seeing your custom dashboard come to life. As you begin building your interface, you'll be prompted with a button that says Build an Interface. Clicking this will initiate the construction of your dashboard. It's a good idea to have a concept or end goal in mind here, so you can structure your design effectively. After selecting this option, type in the name that you desire for your custom dashboard. This name should symbolize the primary function or theme of your dashboard, making it instantly recognizable. Once your dashboard is christened with its new name, click on Next to proceed. You'll be presented with various view options. Spend a moment contemplating which view will best serve your data presentation needs before selecting your desired dashboard view. This decision will dictate how all information is visually organized and interacted with, so choose wisely. After making your selection, additional prompts will guide you to click on Next once more. Now it is time for the final touch. Review your interface to ensure everything is aligned with your vision. Missed adjustments can always be corrected later on. When you are satisfied with your dashboard configuration, click on Finish to complete this setup. That's all it takes. You've successfully created a custom dashboard in Airtable. This new skill will allow you to manage and present data more appealingly and intuitively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and functionalities to fine-tune your expertise. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace.